Hi guys, let's prepare stew chicken. With this is our chicken. We have 3 plates here to prepare the stew chicken, and here is our veggies. We have bonnet pepper in different color. We have yellow, we have red, we have green, and here come our onions. Here come our Irish potato, and here come our tomatoes for the stew chicken. Yeah, let's go, guys. Let's get it ready. Yeah. So, guys, we have come in the preparing our veggies. Here is our onions. Here is our green bonnet pepper. Here is the yellow one. Here is the red one. Here come our tomatoes, and this is our veggies for the stew chicken. Here is our Irish potato for the stew. I want to add it. Yeah, here come our chicken. Our chicken is washed in the pot right now. Here come our seasoning. I'm gonna add this because we are preparing stew chicken. I need this to spice my chicken. Here is another spice. Here is salt. So guys, stay tuned. Let's spice our chicken in the spice the chicken and put it in the fire. So we're preparing stew chicken. Stay tuned. Yeah. Yeah, so our chicken is spiced now. I've added seasoning cubes, salt, onions to our chicken, and thyme and curry because I needed thyme and curry on it because I'm preparing stew chicken. So now I'm gonna cover it to put it in the fire to start cooking. Here come my pot once again. Not to wash my counter properly. Yeah, with hot water. So let's cover it. Fire, here we go. Yeah, let's check our chicken. Wow, our chicken is cooking. It's getting ready. Yeah. Alright, our chicken. Let's add water to allow it to cook properly. The spices have entered very well. So this water will enable it to cook properly. I don't want to add much water. Yeah. So let it cook properly. I was waiting for it to spice very well. Let it cook. Yeah. Yeah, here come our chicken is ready. I have arranged it in the tray to put it in the oven to get drained. Just want it to get drained so it will not scatter in the stew. Yeah. Alright, let's check our chicken in the oven. Wow. Wow, our chicken is, yeah, this is how I wanted to drain the water. I don't want it to over dry. The way it is now is okay. I'm gonna start preparing this stew. Yeah, so this is the chicken stock. Yeah, on fire. Now I'm gonna add my groundnut oil. My groundnut oil is in now. Not much. Yeah. So stir it. Yeah. This is fresh potato, so I'm gonna add it to cook. I want it to cook. It's not yet cooked. I'm gonna add my curry. I'll add enough. My thyme, little thyme. Stir it. Stir it. Cover it to cook. Let it cook before I add any other thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna add little onion to the pot. Yeah. To give it a nice. A little pepper. For now. For the potato to cook well and has a nice taste. Let's cover it to cook for another thing. So let's check our stew. Wow, the potato is cooked now. It's cooked the way I want. I don't want it to overcook. So now this is our chicken. We're going to start adding our chicken and our veggies. Stay tuned, guys. Let's go. So our chicken is in here. Let's add our veggies. So everything is in the pot right now. Add little granita, our curry, our crayfish. I want to add crayfish, and our salt. You stir it now. Yeah. So you stir it. So this is what we have. Stir it. This is what we have. Our stew chicken is ready. Yeah. Amazing. So you can give it a try again. This is so delicious and tasty. So delicious. Oh, give it a try, you will love it. Vegetable stew. Stew chicken, yeah.